Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise, Flir thermal camera release? We'll have that coming right up. Today when checking DJI Enterprise tweets, a very interesting tweet came up, and I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen for you right now. And we see 9 a.m. Eastern Time, December 17th. It's going to be, and it has a fire symbol next to it. And then what looks to appears to be a coffee cup with DJI written on it, taken with a thermal imaging type of system. Now, if you look very carefully, it looks like it's been placed underneath what I would believe to be a Mavic 2 Enterprise. Now, I'm going to go ahead and also read to you, put the next slide up, from Romeo Dersher. Now, Romeo is DJI's Director of Public Safety Integration. We continue to actively work on more solutions. Solutions which help our customers in the field. Solutions which keep them, it says safer, but I'm going to believe that they meant to say the word safer. And solutions which continue to help save lives and properties because drones for good. And then that was retweeted over the original DJI Enterprise tweet. Now I went out, and I'm going to put this up on there on the screen right now, because a lot of people were talking that this was going to be the Phantom 5. And I said Phantom 5 is not going to come from DJI Enterprise. High probability is a thermal imaging accessory for the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And I think you remember when we originally talked about the Mavic 2 Enterprise, I did say that there would be other accessories available for that, whether they would be from DJI or other third-party types, because that port that's on the top of it is very easy to be able to add options on. So what I firmly believe that's going to be coming out is going to be a thermal imaging system, and I would almost bet it would be coming from Flir. Now, DJI owns Flir cameras, Flir thermal imaging, so this is kind of like a slam dunk as to what this is going to be. We will find out 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday morning. Stay tuned to Bill the Drone Reviewer. I'll have all the latest news regarding this and regarding the cost of this and how it's going to work with the Mavic 2 Enterprise, so stay tuned. Question of the day. Do you think that this will be a great option for the Mavic 2 Enterprise? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.